Today's dish is very close to my heart. Even mentioning them makes me nostalgic, and I am immediately transported to the numerous Deepawalis and the wonderful gujiyas I relished in those Deepawalis. Truly, gujiyas and Deepawalis are an imparable phenomenon. But this time we have a healthier spin on it. So without further ado, let's begin. Before we begin, it is always a good practice to organize the ingredients. So let's glance over at all the requirements of the dish. To prepare the dough, we have flour. We'll add into this bowl. We'll add some ghee, some sugar, and last but not the least, water, one of the most important ingredient to knead the dough. And after that, we would start our kneading process by slowly incorporating all the ingredients together. We have kneaded our dough to a medium soft consistency. Now we cover it and let it rest for at least 15 minutes, which gives us time to prepare the stuffing. For that, let's heat our pan on level 8 of our Siemens induction top. As the level is 8, we would add all the ingredients on the pan. So we will add some condensed milk, some mawa, ghee, our chopped dry fruits, raisins, and cashew nuts. And we would be cooking this mixture for around 1 to 2 minutes. Now that our dough and stuffings are ready, let's quickly prepare the gujiyas. But before that, let's set our oven to preheat. Yes, you guessed it. Instead of deep frying, we are going to bake our gujiyas, and I promise that there shall be no compromise on taste. So first we'll switch on the Siemens oven. We are using 4D hot air function. We'll change the temperature to 180. We'll press the preheating option and the start button. So you can see that the preheating process has started. As our oven is getting preheated, we'll start rolling the gujiyas quickly. So I'm taking a small dough and I'll roll it into a round shape. So now we will take some of our stuffing, place it in between, and I'll make sure that the stuffing is stuffed very much equally inside, and we'll just fold this. After folding, I'll use a fork to cover the edges. You can see how nicely the edges are closed and how beautiful the gujia is looking. So now as our gujiyas are ready and our oven is also preheated, let's put it inside the oven at level 3 and we'll set a timer of 15 minutes. Now that our gujiyas are ready, it's time for the final touches and presentation. So we will take our gujiyas and we have a saffron based sugar syrup which can be easily made at home, and we are going to dip our gujiyas into that syrup and allow the gujiyas to coat properly, and after dipping it, we'll just remove them and then we'll just place it on the platter, and we'll be doing the same for the remaining 2 gujiyas. And last but not the least, the garnishing part, we have some pistachios. We'll put it on the top for garnishing on this beautiful gujiyas. Here it is, friends, a gujiya recipe to remember. Hope you all try it. Happy Deepavali.